have a new series of lights. We're calling it 9 Series Pro. And what you're going to see today is this new series of lights, and the major capability of these lights really allows you to take a DMX-style light show and put it in landscape lighting. And it is wicked cool. And we're gonna show you how that works. Now, because we care a lot about great user experiences, we needed a way to take a very complicated DMX-style lighting system and make it very easy to use, right? And very easy for users to use. And so the playground is how we do that. So the playground resides in our app. It's a section in our app that really enables you to program lights without writing one line of code or knowing anything about universes or anything like that with DMX.